Hey guys, this is Futureboy and welcome to our YouTube channel. In YouTube channel, this is Python tutorials running. This is part 3 tutorial of Python. In previous part 2, I will show you how to create a hello world program, and in previous I am showing you how to download a Python. So this is part 3, and in this video, because we know I will teach I will show you and I will teach you with beginners. So for students likely, so in this video I will show you how we do math operation in Python, like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, any numbers. Okay, so you want to do this, so please subscribe, and please subscribe for more tutorials, because many tutorials upcoming in Python, and also artificial intelligence, data analysis, neural network, deep learning, and many classification. Okay, TensorFlow. So you want to know all information, because this is a very recommended jobs in the world. So you want to learn these all things, then please subscribe our channel, because this is not far away. This is this all tutorial is coming likely coming in 10 and 20 days. Okay, like 1 month, because now running in Python for beginners, in Python ending now. Python come with advanced, and advanced is running. Then also this type of topic, artificial deep learning, neural network, and also I will create project. Okay, so guys, how we do Python operation, please subscribe our channel. Okay, so let's do it. Firstly, click on start button and open IDLE program. Okay, IDLE is open. Like, okay, IDLE open. Now I show you how we create a how we create a program. You don't see a go and see a part 2, but don't worry, I will show you in this video also. So firstly, how we create a program, go on file, type, firstly you type a start button and type IDLE, then IDLE is open like that. And now click on file, and then click on new file, and new file, this is new file. And now this is file where you write a code. Okay, so here we likely math operation, like firstly we do all things. In previous video I will show you how we print, how we all things. So you don't see those videos, then go on my YouTube channel Futureboy, and go on playlist. In playlist I will all videos are go on Python, and see part 2. Okay, so firstly you don't know about this time, then also I will show you in this video. So you want to write any code in your so in your any code in compiler, then in JavaScript, in HTML, others in other option. So in Python will show any code, any name, any number, then you will type print function. Okay, print inbuilt function, this is a inbuilt function. Then print, now you take a parenthesis. In parenthesis will take, like you write a name, then you write a name in a string, like Futureboy. Okay, Futureboy. Then I want to run it. Okay, I want to run it, and I want to show this Futureboy on here. Okay, so what I will do, firstly I will save this. Go on file and type save, and type in any name, like I will type part 3, and I am saving it on desktop. Okay, and click on save. Okay, so this is now saved. You run it now. So this is two method to run. Firstly, uh, go on run and click on run module, and secondly directly click F5 button on your keyboard, because here you go on run, then section run module, you also see a shortcut key of F5. So now I will click on run module. So run module, and now you will see this is showing Futureboy, because I am print in a string. I am not a string, then I think wrong. So this method you show your code on compile any type of name in your running method. Okay, running mode in print function. So how we do with math operation? Okay, so in math operation we know take a string, we know we take parenthesis, but not a string, because a string is used for in name and any other alphabetical. Okay, so now what I will do, like in firstly I will add some numbers. So like I will add 2 plus 2, this is mean 4. We know this is we know this is mean 4, but we will take example. So in incoming I will also doing a project, so this is all things is include. Okay, so save it with control plus s and now run it with f5. I will run. Now it will giving me a 4. Okay, this is right. Now I will give 2 minus 2. Now what he was giving me, so he was giving me 0. Okay, this is also right. Now I am giving to 2 multiply. Okay, this is 10 multiply by 5. Save it, run it. Okay guys, 10 multiplied by 5 is equal to 50. Now I will divide. Okay, okay, divide sign is your like what I will say is like slash. Okay, slash is division. Okay, 10 slash 5, run it with f5, and now we will see this is the method you will do. 5 5 2 5 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. So he was giving me 2.0. okay, so this is method to add, subtract, division and multiplication. How we do this with complex like big? So like 10 multiply by 5 plus 2 minus 10. Okay, minus 10 plus 200, then divide by like 10 and then multiplication by 5. Guys, I don't know what I will type here, but this is all math operation. So he giving me a right answer, so I don't know what is the right answer of this. This is because I'm not no 10 multiplied by 5 is 50 plus 2 52. Sorry, 10, yeah, okay, 10 40 42 and 42 plus 2 242 242 and 242. This is very complex, and this is also likely. So you want to do with more calculation, more number calculation, so you learn Python. So you do this in Python, Python ideally. Okay, so how we do this? Okay, this is I will write now. Save it, control process and run with f5. Okay, check it out. He was giving, okay, the right answer is 142.142.0, because here is likely here I add all things was 242 and he was divided by 10 and then multiplied by 5, so all answer is 142. So guys, this is very complicated. Like you calculate too much numbers, then you use a Python. You don't use, like, you live in programming world, not live in calculation world. Okay, calculator world. So you know the programming, then you will do this all things. Okay, sorry. You create a mini program, you create a calculator, and you all things are finished. And also I will do a project, calculator project and many other projects. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, guys. Please subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, because you guys are motivated me. You please like the video, because you like this video, then I will know this video was perfectly good. Any problem in this tutorial, please subscribe. Sorry, any problem in this tutorial, please comment us. We reply fast as possible. Any problem with anything, and you want to improve I improve my video, then please suggest it. And thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe our channel. Please subscribe our channel for more tutorials, artificial intelligence, many others. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.